Hello people, and welcome back out on another camp. Just finished a storm, well basically this morning, Storm Bert. I didn't get to camp out in it, but this is like the last day of it sort of thing. This morning it was proper windy, proper chucking it down, and then it's calmed down a bit, and as you see the sun's out. It's not much destruction, to be honest, a few fallen trees, not a lot, but we're out with Dale doing a camp at this old spot. I've even had it with my cup. So camp's up there. We're down here, getting some of this wood. This wood's been here. This tree's fallen down about a year or so ago, so that's good. A bit of a swamp here. And at night time you get the old bats that come down here for some reason. I don't know why. Not into the water, but down here. Oh, there's a... Maybe to go in that one, I don't know. Yeah, the bats flying out in there. This old swing. Old Dale. Oh, I might have tried that.
The moisture comes up, you know, spring morning, whatever.
Right, that's the tent set up, the French Army F1 canvas tent. I really do like this tent. It's heavy, but it's pretty cool. And I'll put a photo up to what tent setup I should use for my next camp. And the majority, just about voted for this one. It would have been the Dutch Army bivvy bag and a tarp. And if I'd done that, I would pin the tarp from here down and bivvy bag in there, which would have been pretty cool. But I do like this tent. And thank you for all you guys who voted. Yep. So that's the sun. You've seen the sun before. Well, you can just about see it. That's the sun going down. Probably got about 20 minutes. That's why I'm talking quickly. And Dale's got his set up. This is.
Do you want to include my sleeping bag in your video?
Yeah, we haven't done this before. Have we?
Oh, no, we haven't done this before.
Yeah.
Oh look,
So,
what does that say on there? Oh, gee,
Thermarest.
that's a Thermarest Parsec 0-degree sleeping bag. Wow.
Reason to
Has
this.
useful things on it as well.
Straps on it to keep your sleep mat to it. Yeah, the reason to this is that I've just done this clip, but I've done it in time lapse. I had to redo it again. Yeah, so that's Dale's tent he used to cycle around Britain, and he sort of pitches up anyway. I've said all this before in the time lapse video. On tennis courts, just a bit of grass on, and then cycle off again in the morning. Yeah, nice little tent, simple. So I ain't got my sleep system set up yet. It's the winter setup. You know, the warm kit you see in my other videos. So best get on with that. One thing I forgot to put on. There's this rain fly. It's actually for the older tent than this. I don't know what. It's French Army, real vintage one. The tent itself was totally knackered, rubbish. But I kept the rain fly. The canvas is waterproof enough because I have tested it. But it is quite good for keeping the wind down. We're getting a draft up here and going to have a cold wind tonight, and it's meant to rain, but it's more to keep the wind out, so it helps. So I got in there beeswax and wood shaving firelighter thing, just because it's wet and it's easy. Cotton Vaseline. Bob's your uncle. Fine little twigs. Good thing it ain't raining. Touch wood. There you are.
You've got a bit of pit bread. This is the only bread I eat.
Got beef burgers, onion and cheese buns. What you got there?
Dinner.
Oh yeah, dinner. In a pot.
In a pot.
Onion. Yeah. Well, it's like mild chilli. Come on, come out, you know you want to. Little dabby, do ya? Slower heat, slower cook.
Yeah, gentle. So what's that got to do with going underground? You know what I mean? Tissues I have. Chicken nuggets, dippers, and 38 breaded nuggets, 670 grams. Titanium and all that.
Yeah. But God, I've had it for years now.
Yeah, I reckon since I was somewhere around, oh no, hang on, 28. Because I can think of the newsagents that was close to where I live, so it's possible that.
Yeah, I've got dried plums in here. And apricots. No, not apricot. Almonds.
Good morning, campers. That's Dale over there still in his tent. And as you can see, I've packed mine away because I've been up some time now. And it did really chuck it down last night, just after I went to bed. So, yeah, I'm just packing away. Where we had the fire that got well and truly put out last night, and I've just scraped up the like the soggy coals and scattered them about. And that's wet basically, so that's alright. Dale's up and he's packing away. That's where he had his tent, over there. Just a little bit of flat ground, and that's where I had my tent. Dale just sorting his bits out. That's where we had the fire well and truly put out. We've got bottles of water from the water puddle thing down there, and mixed it up and stuff, and then scatter the mushy ashes. Does that make sense? And yeah. Once again, I appreciate everyone who watches and likes and comments and all that malarkey. I make no money out of these videos, it's just pure entertainment, and if anyone likes them, great. So I say thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.